Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Payroll. First, you will set up your organization's profile, entering essential financial details like your company's legal name and tax identification number. Next, add all your employee information, including their personal details, salary structure, and bank accounts. Finally, configure your pay schedules, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and select your preferred payment methods. This foundational setup ensures a smooth payroll process from the very beginning. Once your setup is complete, processing payroll is straightforward. You will initiate a new pay run for the current pay period, which typically takes just a few clicks. Carefully review all employee earnings, such as regular wages and bonuses, and deductions, like taxes and benefits. Zoho Payroll provides a clear summary for easy verification. After confirming everything is accurate, approve the payroll to automatically generate payslips and payment files for direct deposit. This ensures timely and precise compensation for your entire team. Maintaining compliance is crucial, and Zoho Payroll simplifies this process significantly. You can easily generate various statutory reports required for tax filings and regulatory adherence, ensuring your business stays compliant. Additionally, access detailed payroll reports that offer valuable insights for financial analysis and budgeting. These reports help you track expenses and understand your labor costs. Accurate record keeping is automatically managed, providing a reliable audit trail for any future reviews or inspections. Zoho Payroll also empowers your employees with self-service options. They can securely log in to view and download their payslips, tax documents, and other relevant information at their convenience. Furthermore, Zoho Payroll integrates seamlessly with other Zoho applications, creating a unified platform for your business operations. This connectivity streamlines data flow and reduces manual entry. Finally, leverage direct deposit capabilities to ensure efficient and secure salary disbursements, saving time and administrative effort for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.